This is my Kentucky home, and it's one of the communities that Toyota calls home to. "14 advanced manufacturing centers over 30 million square feet under roof, all on over 11,000 acres across the US, Canada, and Mexico." So it's easy to see why biodiversity is such a big deal to us at Toyota. We know the positive impact our facilities could have on the unique balance of plants, animals, and ecosystems in our communities, especially on native species and pollinators like butterflies. That's why we planted 17 pollinator gardens along the monarch migration path to nurture monarch butterflies and other pollinator species. Because with a company the size of Toyota, all these things can make a huge difference. Want to learn more about how Toyota supports biodiversity? Visit the Toyota Environmental Ideas in Action site.